Hey everybody, this is Donnie from AdX Clubs. Today's exercise I'm going to show you is the long cycle clubs. We're going to start with 2 clubs. Begin like you're doing them on a double front swing. So get the back nice and flat, shoot the butt out, feet a little narrower than shoulder width because you're going to be swinging this way. Draw the clubs backwards, bring them up and over. Notice my elbows aren't flaring out wide like this. I'm trying to keep my elbows tight. You can also see the clubs behind me alongside of my lats. To bring it back over, bring it back, cast them out, forward, draw them up and over. I'm going to show you this from the side because to do it properly, it's not just flipping them up and over your shoulders. You want to cast the clubs outward, draw them in, and then over in this motion. So pull them up and over, down and back. This is a great strength builder, and it's also great to do for some high reps. You can do it for a long time because you get a lot of power from the lower body. Hits your triceps, your lats, your shoulders, stabilize that core, make sure your shoulders are packed. I'll see you guys on the platform. Peace.